Have you ever seen videos like this, where realistic characters can easily mimic your gestures and movements? Yes, motion effect and motion control, which used to be very expensive for movie creators, is now made readily available for everyone by the help of AI. You can now replicate your motion control on any avatar or character of your choice. You may ask, where is this useful? Imagine you're making short film or skits and you need to create a robot or a monster or even an alien. You can do that easily now with AI and for free. I'll be showing you how in this video. For decades, motion capture was locked behind massive studios. We are talking bodysuits covered in sensors, infrared cameras, weeks of calibration, and team of engineers just to capture a walk cycle. This is how films like Lord of the Rings, Avatar, and the Planet of the Apes were made. Groundbreaking performances, but at a cost running into hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of dollars. If you were an indie creator, a YouTuber, or a solo filmmaker, motion capture simply wasn't for you. But here is the shift. Today, you don't need a mocap suit. You don't need a studio. You don't need a Hollywood budget. With the right AI tools, you can capture realistic human motion using nothing more than a video and turn it into a clean, usable animation. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that using 3 AI tools, including Higgsfield AI, to get motion capture level results, fast, affordable, and creator friendly. This is motion capture without gatekeepers. To achieve this, the first thing you have to do is go to ChatGPT. We will be using ChatGPT to generate your character images. It can be image of yourself or any character of your choice. So all you have to do is post the prompt and generate an image just like this. Then you save the image from ChatGPT. Then the next thing you have to do is copy the prompt of the image you want to generate, the avatar you want to generate. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using Ronaldo's avatar. So once you post the prompt, you generate the avatar and then you save the image. Then the next step is to take the first image you generated to Grok AI, where you post your image to video generation prompt so that you can now generate the video from that particular image. And after waiting for a short while, you will get a final video looking like this. Now it's time to create the motion capture and we'll be using Higgsfield AI. So you have to open the Higgsfield AI app and go straight to Unlimited Kling motion control. Once you click on the Kling motion control, you will be able to add your video and also your character. So click on add motion to copy. There you'll be allowed to add a video from your gallery. So the video that you want to copy the motion from, you can add it to that particular page. You have to verify all their checks. Then the next thing you have to do is add a character. That's the character that will be mimicking the video. In this case, I'll be using the character of Cristiano Ronaldo. Then after adding this, what you have to do is to click on generate. Then in a few seconds, Higgsfield AI will generate the video of that character mimicking your every motion, and it looks incredible. I'll be playing the video side by side so you see how identical my initial video and the motion capture video generated by Higgsfield AI looks like.
Have you ever seen videos like this?
Now guys, it is important to note that it is not necessary to use ChatGPT and Grok to generate a video. You can just set up your camera and record yourself, then use that video that you just recorded on Higgsfield AI to create a motion capture for a different character. So basically you can set up your camera, record yourself having various conversations or various motion style, then you download the image of a particular character or you create the image of a particular character. For instance, if the character does not exist, you can use ChatGPT and Grok to create the image of the character. Then after recording yourself performing the motions that you want the character to perform, take that particular video to Higgsfield AI and also upload the character image so that that character can mimic all your motions. It is as simple as that. Now for the free version of this Higgsfield AI, the maximum length of a video you can upload is 30 seconds and you can generate 3 to 5 videos per day. That is for the free tier. So it is quite limited until you subscribe to the approved plan and all. But that can be enough for you to generate what you want for that day. 3 to 5 videos per day. You can do that also using multiple account, or you can just subscribe to the Higgsfield AI Pro plan so that you can get more access to their tools. So there you have it, guys. If you learned anything at all from this video, please do well to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section what you think about this platform. If you have any questions, you can also ask. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.